Hey everybody, this is Slim Shady 90. I'm here with your 3-box break 2010 Topps Magic Crown Royale and 2011 Absolute Memorabilia. The time is 1:11. It's Monday, May 7th, and we'll start with Topps Magic. It's going to take the longest to get opened up. Got to bring my knife over. Try to get this in as few videos as possible. I'm hoping 3 videos. Camera only goes for 10 minutes. It has 24 packs. Empty box. And there's your serial number LF0650598083. So I get through these as quickly as I can. So I probably won't be reading out. I'll try to give all the base card names, but not the teams they go to. A lot of cards in each one of these packs. Anthony Dixon, Matt Forte, Fred Jackson. Our first hit is a Keith Rivers autograph for the Bengals. Reggie Wayne Mini, Ryan Matthews, Marcus Easley, Derek Morgan. This guarantees 3 autos per box, and I've seen some of them with jersey cards also, so hopefully we'll get some extra hits. Willis McGahee, Toby Gerhart, Randy Moss, CJ Spiller Rookie Stars, Michael Bush Mini, Dan Lefevre, Jacoby Jones, Emmitt Smith. I want to wish everybody good luck. Eddie Royal, Champ Bailey, Maurice Jones-Drew, John Elway, Champ Bailey Mini, Tony Dorsett, Braylon Edwards, Dexter McCluster, and a checklist. Appreciate everybody paying so quickly. Fred Bolitnikoff, Brent Selleck, Justin Gage, Noshawn Marino, Magical Moments, a black Troy Polamalu Mini, Rob Gronkowski, Akeem Nicks, and Reggie Wayne. Donovan McNabb, Tony Pike, Chris Johnson, Colt McCoy, Derek Morgan Mini, Kellen Winslow, Jared Odrick, and Joe Flacco. Kevin Smith, Rolando McClain, Troy Aikman, LaDainian Tomlinson, Jerry Hughes Mini, Keith Rivers, William Moore, and Ed Wang. I think in general one of the rookies is usually, or one of the autographs is usually a rookie, but I'm not 100% certain on that. Franco Harris, Joe McKnight, Darius Hayward-Bay, Rolando McClain Rookie Stars, Kellen Winslow Mini, Ramses Barden, Brett Favre, Riley Cooper. Rashard Mendenhall, Chris Johnson Magical Moments. Okay, we got a Leif Erickson Stamp of Approval. It's number 10 out of 25. What I'll have to do is I'll have to put all the teams in and do a random on that. I'll randomize that 4 times, and whatever team name is on top is who that will go to. Okay. Maurice Jones-Drew Mini, Myron Rolle, Brian Cushing, Mike Sims Walker. It's actually the first stamp card I've seen. I think those things are pretty high dollar. Not sure exactly what they go for. Jeremy Maclin, Calvin Johnson, Mario Williams, John Skelton, Jared Odrick, Antonio Gates, Felix Jones, and Mark Sanchez. And I don't know if that takes the place of one of our autographs or not there. So we'll just have to finish this out and see what we get. Laron Landry, TJ Hushmanzada, Jared Mayo. There's our second hit for the Redskins. It is a Devin Thomas autograph. Joe Flacco Mini, Montario Hardesty, Chad Ochocinco, and Paul Hornung. Eric Decker, Larry Fitzgerald, Richard Seymour, Jordan Shipley, Charles Scott Mini for the Eagles, number 23 out of 50. Ronnie Lott, Drew Brees, and Vincent Jackson, another checklist. Vince Young, Joseph Adai, Phillip Rivers, Peyton Manning, Magical Moments, Black Mini, Bernard Berrien, Jimmy Clausen, Greg Jennings, and Damian Williams. Derek Anderson, Santana Moss, Dennis Dixon, Joe McKnight, Aaron Rodgers Mini, Eli Manning, Jacoby Ford, and Brian Braun. A lot of cards in this box, 24 packs and 8 cards per pack, so everybody should get something. Carson Palmer, D'Angelo Williams, Des Bryant, Wes Welker, Chris Johnson Mini, Brandon LaFell, Marcus Allen, and Kellen Clemens. Hines Ward, Chris Cooley, Rashard Jennings, Paul Hornung, Kevin Smith Mini, Sean Canfield, Noshawn Marino, and Gerald McCoy. Sammy Morris, DeMarcus Ware, Michael Bush, Magical Moments, Wes Welker, Black Mini, Dustin Keller, Patrick Willis, Josh Freeman, Carlton Mitchell. Okay, we got 8 more packs to go. Hopefully we'll get them on one video here, and hopefully we'll get a nice hit. Cadillac Williams, Dwight Freeney, Demarius Thomas, Magic Moments, Jamal Charles, Vernon Davis, Black Mini, Mike Williams, Jared Dillard, and a James Hardy. Michael Jenkins, Aaron Rodgers, Jake Long, Bobby Carpenter, Ryan Matthews Mini for the Chargers, John Elway, Matthias Kiwanuka, and James Jones. Devin Thomas, Reggie Bush, Jamal Charles, Vernon Davis, Joseph Adai Mini, Tim Tebow, Chad Henne, Amobi Okoye, Chad Greenway, Jim Brown, Steve Smith, William Moore for the Falcons, autograph. Not exactly what I was looking for, but hopefully we get something else. Joe Webb, Mini, Trent Edwards, Ed Reed, Bernard Berrien. So that's our 3 autographs, and we got the stamp cards, so that's 4 hits in the box. So it's more than advertised, so hopefully we get something else though. Marion Barber, C.J. Spiller, Elvis Dumerville, Colt McCoy Rookie Stars, Keith Rivers Mini, Sean Green, Amartey Edwards, Kevin Cobb, and checklist. Packs left on the Magic. Darren Sproles, Cedric Pierman, James Davis, Gale Sayers, and Phillip Rivers Mini, Matt Ryan, Marshawn Lynch, and Willie Parker. Deshaun Jackson, Jonathan Dwyer, Paul Posluszny, Percy Harvin, Marshawn Lynch Mini, Aurelius Ben, Marty Gilliard, and John Carlson. Our last pack of the Mini here. We will get them all in, and then I'll just make another video. Don't know if I'll get both those boxes on one video or not, but we'll try. Darrelle Revis, Nnamdi Asomugha, Mike Kafka, Elvis Dumerville Magic Moments, Brian Orakpo Mini, Tony Romo, Marcus Colston, Ray Rice. Okay guys, I'm going to go upload this video so I have some extra space on this camera, and I'll be back in just a little bit with your next video, Crown Royale and Absolute.